Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Clearing coming in today, sunshine increasing in eastern Massachusetts. Takes a little bit longer for us on the Cape until early to mid-afternoon before we brighten things up. And we warm up too, 80 to 85 for many of us, 70s on Cape Cod today. Tracking Dorian, by the way, Category 1 hurricane will be strengthening through the day today, eventually becoming a major Category 3 storm and taking aim here in portions of the Bahamas and the east coast of Florida by the time we get to Sunday and into Monday here. Obviously, this many days out, still that big cone of uncertainty, but we'll be narrowing down the track here and watching it closely in the days to come. Obviously, preparations underway down across the Sunshine State. Mid-80s for us tomorrow, upper 70s to start the weekend. Saturday is my weekend pick, brightest and warmest day. More clouds on Sunday, but it looks like we should stay dry. Labor Day featuring mainly cloudy skies and the threat for some showers, but we'll be back up into the 80s by Tuesday and Wednesday.